Guys, welcome to a new chess video played by two club players. And here black castled and white started g4 pawn push, black a6, and white started queen 2 and castle queen side because he want to attack in the king side. Black played bishop f8. And see, this kind of video I just made first because um, any video player playing in a club or with a chessboard, so it's so tough to record. So as a first video it is not so clear, but I tried to show you the moves in a chess apps. So here you see, by the way, white is also sorry, black player is also rated player here, 1700 around, but the white player also played rated tournaments many years ago, but they are not now professional. That just play fun here, passing the time. And here black got some attack with his bishop on, and white has only defense pawn to f3, and bishop was good because the diagonal is so strong. King, rook and bishop, rook and queen. So, and he also defending his position because the c file open, so maybe bishop g6 or pawn to g6. So but white is attacking there, and black exchanged is strong one of the bishop, and here rook exchanges that d3. So now black want to exchange all pieces. The dark bishop now. You see, I am talking here in the back while recording in my mother dialect. And here queen developed for black, you see. And but white is doing fine. He is attacking mode actually, and connecting the knight is protected by the pawn, but he sometimes he may get the position bad, you see in the end of the game. So here black defended well because there is an attack coming, knight going, and there is checkmate threat. There was checkmate threat on g7. So yeah, pawn sacrificed. Yeah, and yeah, you see they are talking. Knight is actually sacrificed here. Knight sacrificed because actually black white want to exchange the pieces, but yeah, maybe he wanted to pin the knight, but you see why he captured the knight. Okay, pawn capture is pawn given, no problem, but knight is given now. So but he pinned, but I think he has, yeah, this pawn pushed f5, and it is an outpost. It is also the viewers are telling that it is a nice outpost there. And yeah, so white forced to capture it, and black captured his pawn and pinned up, saved the rook and pinned it. So here double rook. White's pieces are active, but he actually not finding. Actually black is experienced in this game also, and he is playing regular tournaments also, but white player not play regular tournaments. So but he plays here with us with so he got the skill, I think, around 1600 1700 18. And here black is getting counter attacks and going for check, and white protected the rook, you see, and connected with queen and check, and black got more attacking now because all pieces and king is on the open file now. So king goes to f c3 now. Black has some attacks maybe with queen, so he just put his queen. So here I don't know why he put there, queen to c a2, but here you see bishop is captured because the pawn is pinned, because rook is on the, you see. So here you see a nice blunder by black, but white also blundered. White did to see, and so this is the part I given in the Caesar expression. And find like have like and comment there in the video if